back to my channel. If you don't know, I am Aris and today we'll be doing most satisfying slime. Today we will be doing butter slime, which is one of my favorites. So yeah, and before we get started, let me tell you that here Instagram ID, go and follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. Let's do a subscribe and a like button challenge with your pinky finger. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, I appreciate you. If not, go and do it now. So now, actually get started. Okay guys, so the ingredients you'll be needing to make a butter slime is some lotion, some glue, glitter. It's your own choice. You want some glitter or some maybe sprinkles. It's on decoration only. And some clay, of course, and activator. And something to mix in. Oh, right here. And something to mix with. Okay, so it's all here. So let's get started making our slime. Okay, so the first thing you need to add, of course, a glue. So let's pour it in. I'm using Amazon's glue. They are so glossy and thick. So I like their glues. And I love to make slime. Let's put that much. Maybe more. Okay. Close it. There. And just in case, let's put some lotion to make it very stretchy. How much you want to put, you can put. Now let's activate it. And lastly, we are going to just put some clay in. And I'm not going to like over activate it. I'm going to put a little bit of sticky. Because when you have clay, you can put a little bit of so I'm all done with my slime. It's super good, super stretchy and all. And a little bit of sticky because I want to add clay. So yeah. It was super satisfying to add some clay and all very soft. So okay, let's add it. And oh my gosh, it's nice to add it in. It will be so nice. You can see this yellow. So nice. Oh my gosh, add it a little bit more. Feels so buttery. I need to knead it like this only. So feels so buttery. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Don't you like it? So cool. Make bubbles too. Oh my god, the sea is so pretty. So pretty yellow. I really love it. Okay guys, so as you see, it's super stretchy, super buttery. I really like it. And super stretchy too. I really love the slime. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty yellow. Now let's add some glitter. Okay. Let's make a very nice swirl. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. I didn't know how to flip it. Like that maybe? Swirl it and then add some glitter. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god, so pretty. It spreads a lot. Like I love the slime. Okay guys, it's super cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, now the best part, let's make some bubbles. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this is good. The pokes are so cool. Like, don't you like it? Big bubbles. Let's try it one more time. Bubbles. Oh! And also, oh my god, the big one. And also comment on my Instagram that which type of video do you want me to do. Pretty. Oh, my hands. So cool. Let me show you. Spreads so nicely. Oh my god. It stuck to my hands. Okay, let me show you the spread. So cool, right? See, it's so beautiful. The spread of this version is so cool. You can see. So spready. We love the slime. The pork is so nice and it's super stretchy. Okay guys, so that was my today's video. If you like it, make sure you give a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and also if you like some slime. So yeah, and also on your notification that you can be notified that whenever I will post my video on YouTube. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy. Bye.